How to upload a video to YouTube from your PC. This tutorial shows you how to go from start to finish uploading a video on YouTube. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to youtube.com and log into your account if you are not already signed in. At this point, click on the camera plus icon at the top right of the screen next to your profile icon. From there, click on Upload Video to open the upload page. After that, click on Select Files to browse your PC for the video you want to upload. In the next step, navigate to the folder where your video is saved and double-click on it to start uploading. From there, while the video uploads in the background, fill in the details section starting with the title of your video. Once done, add a description in the field below the title to give viewers more context about your content. Following this, scroll down and add relevant tags to help YouTube categorize your video correctly. From here, click on the thumbnail section to either select an auto-generated thumbnail or upload a custom one from your PC. At this stage, scroll down and select whether your video is made for kids or not, as this is a required field. After this, click on Next to move through the remaining steps, including adding subtitles, an end screen, or cards if needed. Keep in mind, while your video processes and uploads, do not close the browser tab as this may interrupt or cancel the upload entirely. Finally, once everything is set, select your visibility option, public, unlisted, or private, and click on Publish to make your video live on YouTube. And that's it. If this guide helped you upload a video to YouTube from your PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.